One of the most enchanting elements of English cottage decor is the connection between indoors and outdoors. Spring invites us to blur the line between home and nature, welcoming in fresh air, wildflower bouquets, and the soft chirping of birds just outside the window. A cozy reading nook near a sunlit window, with a floral cushion and a vintage lace curtain swaying in the breeze, brings a sense of peace. Small touches, like woven baskets filled with freshly picked lavender, or a rustic bench near the garden for morning tea, create moments of stillness. Nature becomes an extension of the home, offering inspiration for colors, textures, and scents that reflect the beauty of the season. There's a certain rhythm to cottage living. Slow mornings with tea in hand, quiet afternoons spent kneading dough, and evenings wrapped in the soft glow of candlelight. This lifestyle embraces the beauty of the handmade, the well-loved, and the imperfectly perfect. It's about finding comfort in layered textiles, soft lighting, and the familiar scent of vanilla and cinnamon in the air. A home styled with vintage charm isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that nurtures warmth, connection, and a sense of belonging. Whether it's the creak of an antique rocking chair, the warmth of a well-worn quilt, or the joy of baking a simple lemon cake, these small moments shape a life well lived.